Bishop, good afternoon.
You better for interview here.
Yes, Mbabia Bem.
You better for interview. Game up Bruna bed. Stand up front there, Mbere. Walk get to Rangabe Bruna bed, Chineka Bagoko. Rangabe Bruna bed.
Sorry, sir.
And one queen, one busu. You don't have to clothes to wear. But last me when have Palazzo, Ogbaoto. Get out of this place. I think I'm joking here with you.
Good afternoon, sir.
I'm
from Benue. I know here Igbo, I beg. So if you can use English. From Benue State, Idoma.
How you take know what in the talk before you come send the message you come tell me say no yeah.
I've been following you and I love your show and I really want to participate.
So how you take to know my show? Why you know the hear Igbo? Why will you tell me you know the hear Igbo? Why the hear Igbo?
I just love the way you act. Under the comment section, I love everything. So I really want to
remove your hand from your head. Remove your hand from your head. This is your big head. Carry hand the whole arm. You love school. You are following my live stream. Not that you are following me. English. You cannot speak straight English. You have been following me. Like say you are following me. Instead of talking, you are following my live stream. You are here speaking in grammar. Where are you from in Benue?
I'm from Idoma.
Where in Idoma?
Eke.
Where in Eke?
Edumoga.
Where in Edumoga?
Oglo.
I can see your teeth. You don't marry before?
No.
Why you can't get teeth where like person where don't marry before?
I don't know. That's how God do it, sir.
Who tell you say God to do it like that? Who tell you? Who tell you say that God to do your teeth resemble person where don't retired from husband house? Said God to do it. Who tell you like that? Which God to do it? Every letter to I call God. Every letter to I call God. Who be that man where they there with you? Who is that man where they there with you?
No, sir. I'm in the office. He was just passing.
Which office are you working?
I work with Lagos Court, sir.
Otele.
Lagos Court.
Court?
Yes.
High Court or Supreme Court? High Court or Supreme Court?
Yeah, I work with Lagos Court at Lagos. I work in Lagos and I'm working with Lagos Court.
High Court or Supreme Low Court?
It's a Supreme Court.
Lagos
Court of Arbitration.
From the court. Which judge send you?
We have plenty judges, sir.
Which judge send you?
So which of the judge you want me to mention?
Go and give one judge for me. Go and give one judge the phone. You carry phone, you put for table. Or go and carry phone to one judge. You carry phone, put for table.
Sir, you okay? It's my boss. I don't know if you will accept the phone, please.
Tell the judge that I hear that the husband giver wants to do interview. I need his consent.
Okay. Excuse me, sir, please. Husband giver want to do me interview. Please, can you help me speak with him? We just want to ask you a few questions. He's a husband giver. I used to give people husband. Please. Coach. Please. Thank you.
What's his
The husband giver. Okay, actually, I answer. Don't block them.
Hello.
My lord.
Yeah, good evening.
My lord, here is afternoon. Are you a judge?
Not a judge, but we work in a court.
Please, can you stand to one place? This is my own office. You don't come here, you walk in court, you are still walking. You are still walking along the live stream. Stand to one place, you just need your consent.
Okay. Very good.
Are you familiar with Tomato Show?
Not really.
Okay. My lord, that lady came to an Igbo live stream where I am doing interview.
Okay.
She wants me to interview her for a better husband. Should I go ahead with the interview?
Yes, you can go ahead.
So you are shorting her.
Shorting as
Internet shorting lawyer.
okay, that's fine.
What is your name?
Her name is Innocent
Innocent who?
Idoku.
Innocent who? You are looking at me. Innocent
I said,
you are looking
I
at
said Idoku. You did not get me. I said Idoku.
Inno.
I said, yeah, Innocent Idoku.
You are not innocent, you are Inno.
Whichever way you want to call it.
What is your name? I'm not laughing here. Don't laugh here.
Innocent Idoku.
Innocent Ido.
Doku.
Yeah, are you a lawyer or a judge?
I'm none of the above.
You are?
I'm not a lawyer, but we work in a court. We work in a Lagos court of arbitration.
Call that girl. That girl is he a secretary or a court sweeper? Is he a secretary or court?
She's not sweeper. She's not sweeper. No, not at all. She's admin and front desk officer.
Call her for me. Call that girl for me.
Hello, Miss Joy.
Give a judge the phone. You carry phone. You give person where be messenger for. I said keep quiet. Them you there. Them you. Stand that place. Is that how you deceive me? Give a judge the phone that I want to speak with the judge that you are in that place. You carry phone to give a person where be a messenger for court. You want to stampede on my rights because you are working in a lawyer's office? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay, sir.
Are you aware that this thing we are doing here will go on a social network on the whole internet space? Should I go ahead with the interview?
Yes, sir, you can go ahead.
Drop that phone on the floor and go back. No removal of video from internet. Are you aware? Are you aware? Are you aware? Go back. What is this? Confront us, man. What is this? Huh? Look at. You are still doing the worst. Look at. Remove that shoe. Remove that shoe. Remove that shoe. Remove your shoe. Remove that shoe. Go and pick that shoe, bring it and show me for screen here. Go and pick that shoe, bring it and show me for screen here. Who that shoe this shoe? Which Igbo woman that shoe this shoe?
I bought it.
You bought it where?
From Lagos Market.
Lagos Market. Oh yeah, turn your back. Hold that shoe like that and turn. Hold it in the lily. Hold it. Hold it on your hand and turn back. Reverse. Is this K leg? Huh?
Yes.
You have K leg.
Yes.
And you are working in a court. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Telerosana, what is this thing? Now you get this thing? Huh?
Yes.
Now you get this bucket?
Yes.
They carry and fetch water.
No.
What did they carry the bucket to do?
To sit down.
If they carry this bucket to sit down for where?
For office.
For office.
Yes.
Rosanna. Talking. I say make you talk that shirt inside. Tuck your shirt in. Tuck in. Sharp. Tuck in. Aya, turn your back. Reverse. If they carry this thing, sit down for courtroom. Huh?
Yes.
And they have not passed judgment on it.
No, sir.
Till now.
Yes. I'm not offending anybody.
You know, do it.
I didn't offend anybody.
Who telling you say you know offend person? You carry this thing, sit down for courtroom for how many months now? How many years have you been working there?
4 years.
Then they have not passed judgment on this bucket.
No, sir.
Where did you acquire this keled?
It's a natural gift.
Natural thing. Oh yeah, artist. I say artist. Otele Rosanna. The thing no dey gree open. Attention! Artist. Otele Rosanna. The thing still lock up. Oh. Huh? Come close to your camera. Artist. Attention. Artist. You know they open. Okay, take your phone. Listen, I don't want that laughter from you. If I say, okay, are you hearing what I'm saying now? Oh yeah, sit up properly. Sit up properly. Chineka bagoko. Sit up properly. Yes, you big head. You carry big head. You go there for court. Carry bucket for back. Go keep up for court. Something where you go carry look for man, we will be Igbo or Yoruba. Give them, make them judge them for inside matrimonial home. You carry and go courtroom, go there. Tell me where you go carry that thing where they go for where they give injustice. Huh? How you go use that thing see husband? Chineka bagok. Wabingo. How many picking where you don't get?
So I never born.
Since where you come this life, you never born.
Yes, sir.
How many where you come out?
1.
Why you come out them? Why you come out one picking?
Because I was in school and I don't want my parents to know.
How much you pay and which hospital come out them?
So, one medicine that I bought.
You buy medicine, come out. You buy medicine, come out. That picking now, how old are you?
I'm 28.
When you carry that picking belly?
My 200 level.
Woman, where they keep a person. Like I see you there. What's the fuck is higher? Longer throat. Picking. Where you they stay?
Lucky.
You get any other thing where they do apart from this work where they work?
I'm a hairdresser. I have a small shop that I work every Saturday.
How many times did they go toilet in a day?
Once.
You're mad to this, man.
No, sir.
Your body, you get body odor.
No, sir.
You don't dey for dream like this. You they carry person dey naked, they pursue you. You wake up for daytime, for night, for the dream. You shout to Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. You don't see that kind of thing before.
No, sir.
Then they chop you for dream.
Yeah, sometimes, but I pray over it.
I ask you yes or no. I don't ask you whether you pray or you don't pray. Put that your prayer inside your pocket. Put them inside your pocket. Put them inside your pocket as you resemble headlamp of motor. Put them inside your pocket. No come here, come the time you say it sanitize. Now why you go carry bumper with there like a motor radiator? Come here, come the time in like sanitize. Remove that your hand from your head. They will chill like a bagoko. If then they chop you, how many did they chop you for dream?
And like, I dey chop 3 times in a day.
For dream.
No, physical.
How many people they chop you for dream?
No, nobody, sir.
You like food?
Yeah.
How many times did they eat in a day?
3 times.
You go
3 times.
You go eat food 3 times in a day.
Yes, sir.
Eh?
Yes, sir. Sometimes 2 times.
So which Igbo man for this country where Nigeria don't japata, na where person will come marry you, put it for us. Then if the man no bring food for 3 times in a day, that means you no go pack and go. And they ask you, you no go pack and go. For this country, you see they chop 3 times. I said them you. They chop 3 times in a day for what? For what do you go chop 3 times in a day? Eh? For what? I ask you here whether you get longer throat, you say no. Why you go chop a big girl, a woman like you, they chop 3 times in a day? You they watch yourself.
Yeah.
Damn you. They chop 3 times in a day. And first, when they chop 3 times in a day, you can't hear them say they go toilet at once. Eat. Yeah. Yeah, my mom and papa, then they're alive.
My mom is alive. My papa don't die.
Oh, don't know. Oh, waiting take care, papa.
It's sickness.
Yeah?
He just sick for 3 days, so he died the 3rd day.
You they collect waiting no be your own.
No, sir.
You they do woman to woman.
No.
You they carry your hand and do yourself like this.
No, sir.
You don't snap your mirror for under show man before for WhatsApp.
No.
That your plate cover for under is still the one where they for the left hand side. The brush is still there.
Yes.
The one where they there for the left, if you put inside, you look left. Brush for that place is still there.
Yes, they.
Okay. Otele. Where brush is still there in that. What of Kamba Bushi? That one where they there for up. That one is still there.
Very, very well.
Kamba there.
Yeah.
Okay. Otele where Kamba. For up still there. How many people don't chop you for this life where you come? How many men?
It's two.
Keep quiet to stop telling me lies. You come here, you from Benue, tell me too. You the now who you the lie for? Now who you the lie for? You from Benue, where I know say they like both where you say that too. Why who are you telling that lie? Who are you telling that lie? Why I know some of your sisters come out from marriage because of Amo. Some of them come out from marriage because of Amo. You come here and say that too. Who you they tell that lie? If you no talk truth, I bring you down here. You know we are brushing the day for inside body. Come here, come the time is that too. Only two people now you don't know where I say brushing the day inside woman body. How many people you don't chop you chile kabagoko? How many people?
Two, sir. I cannot lie to you because everybody get their life where they live, so we are different. So it's two people, sir. I cannot lie.
Okay. What be their name?
Jonathan.
Tolerance, with Jonathan, the one where be president for once and come out.
No, sir.
Which is Jonathan? Pronoun describe the Jonathan well.
Okay. Jonathan.
Describe which is Jonathan. What be work?
He's a secretary manager in my area there. So he works with one organization when I was in school. That is when I met him.
Who again a chop you in name?
Frank.
What him be in work?
He's a forest trader.
They follow people where they press computer. Yahoo people. Now they can't people where you they meet. That's why your killer you don't fit to do artist. That is why you cannot do artist. They follow forest. Keep that your face straight. Keep that your face straight. Keep that your face straight. Say as you resemble people where they treat polio. Come here, can you? They follow forest trader. Genotype.
AA.
Blood group.
A plus.
Call your number.
090 plus 234 090 1833 0575.
You are aware this thing will go to the whole social media. I should go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Congrats.
Thank you so much.